Hello guys, welcome to the channel IQ Mind Matrix. We are here to challenge your brain. Alright, I've got a quick challenge for you. See if you can solve this before I do. Take a look. 84,361, 18,436, 61,843. What number comes next? Drop your answer in the comments. Don't overthink it. Just go with your best guess. Leave your answer first. Then let's see if you actually got it right. Alright, most people look at this and immediately start doing math. They try adding, subtracting, multiplying, looking for some crazy hidden formula. But what if that's not the trick at all? Let's take another look. 84, 361, 18, 436, 61, 843. This time, don't focus on the value of the numbers. Just look at the digits themselves. Seriously, I ignore the math for a second. Just watch what the digits are doing. Notice anything? No? That's okay. Here's a tiny hint. Only one digit changes position each time. Now look again. 84, 361 becomes 18, 436. See it? See it? The digit 1 was at the end. But and now it's at the front. Interesting. Now let's check the next step. 18,436 becomes 61,843. Again, the last digit moves to the front. Look at 6. So now the pattern starts to reveal itself. Every step does the exact same thing. The last digit moves to the beginning of the number. That's it. No complicated math. So weird formulas, just a simple shift. But that's exactly why so many people miss it. Now let's apply that rule one more time. We have 843. The last digit is 3. Move that 3 to the front. Keep the rest of the digits in order. What do you get? Yes, 336, 184. That is our answer. So, did you get it right? Be honest. If your answer was 36 184, drop a comment and let me know. And if you guess something different, tell me what you got. I'm curious to see how many people spotted the pattern before the reveal. If you enjoy these brain teasers and logic challenges, make sure to follow for more because next one is going to be even trickier than this.